Guys, thank you so much for your time and everyone waiting for this update. So there's nothing much changed. I'm just gonna do show you what little thing that is there and why we had to do this. So I'm just gonna log in as a staff now. I'll log in. Yes, and I'll log in. So now, what you will notice in this menu is that you can no longer find create assignment. Okay, the only thing you have here now is only mark assignment and assignment history. So, how do you create assignments? You create assignments in your digital class. So, we only have two menus now. We've changed the menu also. So, we have digital class and we have my class student. So, we don't have those. So, it's easier for you now. You just go to digital class straight, digital class. So this is where you create your class, your assignments, everything you need. So I come to digital class. Is it I can you see some of the things I've created already. If you keep scrolling down, I can filter it to just I want to view only my class. I want to view only the things I've created, maybe the ones that are live and the ones that have gone. What I mean by live is the ones that have passed, like the end date has gone. That is not live. They are not saying it. The end date has gone. Live means it is still there's still time for the person to do it. So what I mean is this. Look at this. This one is not live. It ended 1 week ago. This class ended 1 week ago, so therefore it is not live. That's why it is showing red. But the remaining are live because this one end date is still 1 week from now. You can see it here. End date is still 1 week from now, so it's showing white. But this one that has ended is not live. They will not be able to see it because it has ended 1 week ago. You can as well extend this time to be by clicking on the edit classroom and extend its end date. So this is the classrooms I have. But how do we create classroom? Let us create a classroom now. So you click here to create a classroom. Let me explain to you. Just like you've known, classroom is when you upload your audio, your video. That is your classroom. So but now we've added that you have to put your assignment in that same classroom and any other thing you want to do. So now I click on create classroom. I want to create a classroom, so I have to click on create classroom. Okay, good. So this is my create classroom. So I select the class I want to create. I want to create a classroom for basic 1 English. Okay, let me just say basic 1 home economics, and it's for third term. What is the topic? I might say eating habits. Okay, when is it supposed to start? So if you say it's going to start maybe next tomorrow, they will not see it until that next tomorrow it become live. So you can create a classroom ahead, but I want my own to start immediately, so I'm putting it now to start. Now when is it going to end? You set it. I want it to end, but automatically I've already set 1 week difference. So if you want it to extend more than 1 week, for those of you that are saying that your classrooms, your topic, this topic for example is for week 4 and 5, so you might need to extend this to another week. So if this is June, you go to July, any date you want, just put it. Once you put it, you put the time it's going to stop also, maybe 9 a.m. So you set it, set your end date, set your time date, and that is it. Automatically we've kept something for you, but you can still add if you want to add. But automatically we've kept something for you that says welcome to class. Make well use of all resources and complete all activities. You can always repeat the class over and over for better understanding of the topic. Don't hesitate to ask questions after the class. So if you want, you can add more things. You can say I'm typing more things. If you want, you can add more things, or if you want, just leave it that way. Now and then you click on your create classroom. So that is how to create a classroom. Select the let me refresh this again. Select the class, select the subject, third term, type the topic, which is eating habits. Select the end date, the start date, and the end date. then you click on create classroom. Okay, so once it's done, it will tell you created successfully. If you come down, you can see this is the classroom I just created now. This is the classroom I just created. It's going to show for you. Now, I can, but it's not visible. Let me explain all these things to you now. This one is to delete it. If I want to delete this classroom, I click on that. If I want to duplicate this classroom, I click on this middle one. But currently, this classroom is not visible to the students. That is why you are having this. If I want this classroom visible to the students, what I need to do is just to click on this eye. This closed eye means I'm not visible to anybody. But if I want it visible, I just touch it. Once it comes back, you will find out that the eye is open. It's no longer closed. So once this eye is open, it means I am visible to everyone. All students, all parents, I am visible. But once you close the eye, I close it again, it's not going to be visible to any student or any parent. So the eye is closed. Right now, this class has no activity. It has no audio, it has no video, it has no assignment. So it is just an empty class. So how do we add activities to this class? Click on this button that says what? Add activity stroke resources. So you can add activity or resources here. So click on this button. You will see something like add resources to classroom. What do you want to add? Do you want to add assignments? Do you want to add contribution? Now all these other ones like quiz, scrum package, survey, they are deactivated for now. I didn't activate it for us. Let's take it step by step. So you can't add quiz, but you can add feedback, but you can add assignment, you can add contribution, you can add images, you can add videos, you can add documents, audios, you can add YouTube video if you want by yourself. You can add a site, maybe any URL, a site you saw, you can add it. So these are things you can add to your class. So let me start by adding assignment, which is very important. Let me start by okay fine. Let us say let me start by adding images. I want to add an image to this place. So I will click the name of the image I want to add, boy walking. Okay, my food. I just say this particular food diet. Then that title. Then I click on this place. Click here to add images. You saw it, right? Click here to add images. So I click there. You know all these ones already. I come here. I look for my phone name or my SD card name. If you don't see your phone name here or your SD card name, what you should do is to come all the way to this point here, these three dots there, click it. You will see something like show or hide internal storage. Make sure you show internal storage. Once you hide internal storage, if I come here, you will see my phone name again. But once I come to this point, I'm teaching you this out of the box now because you might need it for something else. And so once you come to this place, you click on show internal storage. When you come back here, you will see your internal storage. And internal storage is where you have all your files in your phone. Nothing can be hidden from your phone in this place. So I come here, I'm looking for pictures, or I can just come to images, WhatsApp business. Okay, I can look at this